Hi, I'm Jamie from Synapptic, and today I'm going to show you how to navigate through Synapptic.
So let's get started on showing you how easy it is to find your way around your Synapptic device. First, to turn on your phone, press and hold the power button on the edge of the device until you feel a small vibration. Wait for around 1 minute for the phone to go through its startup procedure and fully turn on. Synapptic will launch automatically and the main menu will appear. The main menu has different options that lead you to various features on the device. Think of this as an interactive contents page of a book, where selecting an option takes you to the desired feature. There are two ways to operate Synapptic, depending on your level of sight loss. If you rely on voice feedback, Synapptic menus are fully spoken out when you touch the touchscreen.
Make a call from your address book.
If you rely on magnification, the menus are high contrast and large print. If you rely more on speech feedback, place your finger on the screen and slide it up and down the screen. As you move over each menu, the option will be spoken aloud. When you find the required option, lift your finger from the screen to select it. Once you've learned this simple technique, you then know how to operate every screen, as they all work in the same way. If you want to cancel a selection, slide your finger to the top of the screen and over the edge. There are 5 main menu pages with 4 different features on each. To navigate through these pages, select the arrow at the top or bottom of the screen to skip to the next or previous pages. If you want to go back to the main menu, to a previous menu or screen, select the red cross in the top left-hand corner of the screen. If you are relying on speech feedback, slide your finger to the top left of the screen until the voice says, "Cancel and go back." Then release your finger. You can keep pressing the red cross at the top of the screen until you get back to the main menu page. This is helpful if you get lost to reorientate yourself. The name of the current menu or page is displayed at the top of the screen. Slide your finger to the top of the page to hear this spoken aloud. When you are done using your mobile device, briefly press the power button on the edge of the device. This will turn off the screen but leave it on standby, ready to receive calls and other messages. When you want to use your phone again, briefly press the power button again. Depending on your settings, a keyguard will display. This is designed to secure your phone or stop buttons being accidentally pressed while in your pocket or bag. Close the keyguard screen by entering your PIN number or by swiping the screen from left to right.
So today we've run through the basics of navigating through Synapptic. Hopefully you're now a bit more familiar with your new Synapptic phone or tablet. If you've liked the video today, please like and subscribe. If there's any more content that you'd like to see, please leave a comment in the comment section below. For more information, call us on 0191 9097 909 or visit our website at www.synaptic.com. A link can be found in the description below.